Sri Lankan power grid is a national asset of tremendous value. Sri Lankans depend on it to provide affordable and reliable electricity every single day. So, we need to think how to move power around efficiently while still maintaining the stability. Have you ever wondered what is the solution? Well, the solution is none other than power system optimization. So, we have proposed a model to conduct security constrained optimal power flow which will help to deliver power to your homes in a more reliable yet economical manner. As a solution for these problems, Security Constrained Optimal Power Flow or SCOPF has been formulated. SCOPF is an extension of OPF which considers post-contingency transmission constraints as well. With this, we don't have to worry about the unexpected contingencies anymore. Generally, SCOPF problem is a nonlinear, non-convex, large-scale static optimization problem. But in this project, due to the simplicity and convenience, a linear programming method is proposed to solve the SCOPF problem. In this method, two sets of sensitivity matrices for with and without contingency are obtained using AC power flow solutions. The difference between this method and conventional lambda iteration method is this method uses sensitivity matrices related to control variables. As previously stated, this method is formulated by using two sets of sensitivity matrices for with and without contingency. These sensitivity matrices are obtained using AC power flow solutions. Then, after formulating objective functions and constraints, SCOPF problem can be solved using linear programming. We have proposed a MATLAB program for this algorithm. When considering the results, it was clear that our model changes the generation to achieve minimum cost while maintaining bus voltage magnitudes, angles, and transmission line loadings within their limits. Okay, now let's see some results. After testing and verifying our tool with IEEE test bus systems, SCOPF was conducted on a small Sri Lankan bus system. This is a PSSC simulation of an contingency case for the small Sri Lankan bus system. Initially, this line was disconnected and load flow was conducted. You can see that there are some lines in overloading condition. So next, we conducted security constraint optimal power flow using MATLAB. This shows the PSSC simulation after conducting security constraint optimal power flow. So now it is clear that there are no lines which are overloaded. Similarly, bus voltage magnitudes and angles will also be pushed to their limits. Also, we have extended our tool to minimize the transmission loss as well. So, after doing some modifications, our tool can be applied to conduct optimization for real power systems.